Yes.
wait. Really nice experience, guys. This is beautiful. What is it? Is this called Monkey Park, right? In Gambia.
It's called Monkey Park, and then this one is called Western Red Columbus.
Huh?
Western Red Columbus.
Western.
Red
Can we
Columbus.
show you on video?
Yes, no problem.
Okay. This is the tour guide here.
Okay, this is a monkey. We have in West Africa. We have them only Gambia and Senegal. They were killed for bushmeat in Africa 15 years ago. That's why they look little bit shy. They are very friendly because we are not feeding them with something have sugar. If we feed animal with something have sugar, they end up by someone. That's why all over the world, animals, monkeys steal people's glasses and take people's belongings.
So so you're saying if they eat sugar, that's when they act like
they act funny. Yes.
they don't behave properly.
They behave
but
properly. So
when they eat fruits and nuts,
yes,
they actually calm.
Calm
And this one want to hold my hand. Yes. It's a great. Look at this one. Look at Africa. I'm like, you know, it's beautiful to see them.
Yeah,
and look at look at this one holding on my.
You're always welcome.
Thank you. So, I don't know if you want to say anything else. But we're gonna go see other monkeys.
Yeah, we go further and we see the other monkeys. The
Okay.
Other kind.
Bye.
Africa, we have them only Gambia and Senegal. And they live 27 years, and every 6 months they have one baby. Monkeys, when you have monkey have 2 babies, always difficult because the more they move, the more they feed. They are always friendly, and when they die also, they bury themselves. You can walk here for 10 years, you never see where a monkey die. You can see only the bones.
Wow. It's beautiful to see this. And even though they're like, you know, in a rush for it, but they're still gentle in your hand. They're not like, you know, hurting you. Sweetie. Baby, please.
He's gonna take it from you.
The boss, the kid. Let me.
He's gonna take it from you.
Oh,
Stand there.